So next we can see the maximum power transfer theorem for AC circuit. Okay, see the question. Find the maximum power transfer to the load. Okay, so AC circuit, you can say from the circuit itself we can identify along with the resistor there will be inductor or capacitor. Okay, so the passive components. So here it is AC circuit. It is marked as the AC voltage signal, okay, 100. So it consists of both the magnitude and phase value, okay, with 100 angle 90 degree. So it is an inductor and here it's a load resistor, and the current flowing through the load resistor is IL. So now listen, so here there are two conditions, two cases, that is when the internal impedance value, okay, so here the value is so it is not 4 ohm, it is 5 ohm, okay, it is 5 ohm. So listen, the internal impedance value, okay, internal impedance, and here the reactance value, when the reactance is present by only the magnitude of the load impedance, that is if you see the load impedance, it has only the resistor value, okay, it has only the resistor, that is impedance is equal to resistor. That is when impedance is purely a resistive components அப்படின்னா impedance-னா ZL அப்படின்னா. ஸோ இது வெறும் resistor வேல்யூக்கு மட்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்தால் what is the condition means Z equal to magnitude of Zg. Can you understand? When the load impedance value is purely a resistive component, it is not a impedance component, okay, resistive component மட்டும் இருந்துச்சுன்னா what is the formula? ZL equal to magnitude of Zg. So what is Zg value? Root of 5 squared plus Zg is 5 plus 10G, 10 ohm, that is the internal resistance. So magnitude of 5 plus 10J is, what is the value? Root of 5 squared plus 10 squared. So you got 11.18 ohm. So now you can find maximum power. How can you find I squared ZL? So what is so in order to find the maximum power, you need the value of IL. So what is IL? Vs by Zg plus ZL. So Vs we know, Zg internal impedance, and ZL value we had find, that is 11.18, okay, 11.18. So after adding, you got this answer, okay, that is 16.8 plus 10J, and here you are converting this polar form to rectangular form, okay. So we got the answer. IL is 2.76 plus 4.47J. When it is converted to polar form, 5.25 angle 58.3, okay, ampere. So now you can easily find the power. Power formula is I squared RL. So 5.25. So I squared RL, that is magnitude of IL squared. Okay, only want to take the magnitude value into RL. So magnitude means you do not take the angle, only can take the magnitude value. So 5.25 the whole squared into RL is 11.18. So you got 308.14 watt. Okay, so now we can see the second case. So when the question is in this form, find the value of ZL for maximum power transfer to the load, hence find the maximum power. Okay, so it is the question. So here see the load impedance not purely resistive, ZL is not equal to R, okay, ZL it is Z இருந்தாலே அது கூட ரெசிஸ்டர் கூட வேறு இண்டக்டரோ கெப்பாசிட்டரோ வேறு காம்பனன்ட் சேரும்போது அது இம்பிடன்ஸ் ஆகும், ஓகே. ஸோ ஹியர் இட் இஸ் நாட் பியூர்லி a resistive component, it is a impedance component. So what is the condition? The condition for maximum power is you want to take the complex conjugate. When it is purely resistor means we can take magnitude. So when it is a impedance value means you want to take that complex conjugate. Complex conjugate value another 5 minus 10J, okay, 5 minus 10J. So now you can find IL Vs by Zg plus ZL. So Zg value is 5 plus 10J. ZL value is it is equal to ZL. Okay, ZL value is 5 minus 10J. So you got the answer as 100J by 10. Okay, so when you cancel it, you got 10J. Okay, 10J, and when it is converted to polar form, 10 angle 90 degree. So what is power? IL squared into real part of ZL squared. So you want to take only the magnitude, that is 10 into real part of Z. Okay, IL squared into RL. So you want to take in ZL, you want to take only the real part, that is 5. So what is the answer? 500 watt. Can you understand? So there are two cases in AC circuit. Okay, we can discuss the two cases. One is when the load impedance is purely resistive, you want to take the magnitude. When it is equal to the impedance value, you want to take complex conjugate and simplify. Okay, so if you see another one problem, a loudspeaker is connected across the terminals A and B of the network shown. What should be the value of the impedance of the speaker to obtain maximum power transfer to it? What is the maximum power? So from the question itself we can identify it is a maximum power transfer theorem. So it is the circuit shown 3 ohm J4. So you want to find the maximum power. So in order to find the maximum power, see here there is a load impedance, that is ZL. Okay, ZL is connected across A and B. So we had connected the ZL value across A and B. So now first, what is the first step? So இது இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, see here there is one loop. Okay, ஒரு லூப்பில் இது ஒரு லூப், இதில் ZL கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்குன்னு இருக்குது. ஸோ நமக்கு ப்ரீவியஸ் ப்ராப்ளமில் என்ன பார்த்தோம், ஒரே ஒரு லூப் தான், அதில் ZL வேல்யூ வந்து தனியாக கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. ZL is equal to RL or ZL is equal to either it may be RL or ZL அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா. ஸோ ஹியர் யூ வாண்ட் டு மேக் அ கனெக்ஷன். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து நம்ம வி கேன் யூஸ் த ப்ரீவியஸ் ப்ரொசீஜர்ஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், யூஸ் பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஃபார் தேட் சிலிசன் here it is VThevenin, ZThevenin and ZL. You want to find VThevenin. In order to find VThevenin, what is the step? You want to disconnect the load resistor. Okay, disconnect the load resistor, and from this point if you see we can see the capacitor. So the voltage along this capacitor is the voltage VThevenin. Okay, so first you want to find I கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா VThevenin ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். What is I value is equal to V by impedance value. So V 10 angle 30. So when you convert it to rectangular form, you got 8.66 plus 5j, then 3 plus j4 minus j5. Okay, so you got 2.098 plus 2.33j. So VThevenin is I into this capacitance value, that is minus 5j. So you got the answer 2.098 plus 2.366j into minus 5j. So it is the answer 11.83 minus 10.49j. When you convert this to polar form, you got 15.8 into angle minus 41.56 degree volt. Okay. So next step 3, want to find ZThevenin. In order to find ZThevenin, you know, short circuit the voltage source and disconnect the ZL value. So you got the circuit in this form. So now 3 ohm plus J4 and 5 ohm. So AC circuit நாலே என்ன பண்ணணும், ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் கூட கெப்பாசிட்டரோ இண்டக்டரோ வந்து அதை ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தேட் இஸ் தி இம்பிடன்ஸ் வேல்யூ. இம்பிடன்ஸ்னாலே சிஸ்டர் கூட கெப்பாசிட்டர்னால் அதை ஆட் பண்ணும், ஆர் இண்டக்டர்னால் அதை ஆட் பண்ணும். ஸோ ஹியர் 3 ohm plus J4, it is impedance. Okay, so this impedance value and minus 5j are parallel. So if they parallel, what is the formula? Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2. So after finding you got the value ZThevenin as 7.5 minus 2.5j ohm. Okay, so next you want to find maximum power. In order to find maximum power, what is the condition? ZL equal to ZThevenin is the condition. Okay, so we know, so IL is equal to VThevenin by ZThevenin plus ZL. So after solving it, we get the answer 0.7886 minus 0.6993j, and when it is in polar form, 1.053 angle 41.56 ampere. Okay, so what is power value? I squared RL. So after squaring this, IL squared, so only you want to take the magnitude for squaring. So 1.053 the whole square into RL. So for RL value, RL is equal to ZThevenin. So you want to take only the real part value. Okay, only you want to take the real part, that is 7.5. So you got the answer 8.316 watt. Okay.